Now, if I knew what I was doing, I'd get over that, but I don't. Or do I? I do not. I would try, but I also would not. I could get over it. Not the way you're supposed to do it. Why, hello there. It's Friday, April 25th, and I'm bored, so I'm just gonna go out for a ride and see how that mountain home road's doing. Yeah, the snow's definitely receded. It used to be right here. We're good to go on Mountain Home Road now, which is nice. This is the way I like going to Safeway in Leavenworth, because it's more fun than going down the highway. I mean, that's what these bikes are for, right? It's for having fun on roads like this. Stay there. Getting better at those. I haven't been on this road since I redid the bike, and my front tire never really came off from those little bumps back there before, unless I really jumped, and now just pulling on the throttle almost too much. Yeah, it's so easy to get the front end up. It's ridiculous with this 351. This is the there used to be a little train track that went through here. It's like for a little putt-putt golf course or something. I don't know. But yeah, I gotta get the cool shot of Leavenworth, right? You can't really tell, but right around that little hump is Tumwater Canyon. That's really cool. I like being in there. Go for the rock climb. First gear. Little putts up this. Yeah. What else can we get in trouble with? Oh, this has gotten a little washed out. It's a little rutted. See if I can go around it. Yeah, I quite like it up here. There's a screenshot for today, or should it be like that? I don't know. Any of those should be fun. You can have hiking, bicycles, and horses, but no motorcycles. That's pretty clear, so I'm not gonna push it any further. But what I'm still wondering is that there was a road or a trail on the crest of that ridge, and this is called Crest Ridge Trail or Ridgecrest Trail. So I don't know if it hooks up with that or what, but there was a trail up there I'd like to know about. Oops. See, it'd be nice if there was stuff like this for motorcycles in this area. I would really dig it. I don't like, you know, I'm not so much a rule breaker. I'll respect what other people, you know, If it's managed, then I'll obey the management. If it's not managed, then, you know, then it's a go for it kind of thing. Like Monastash Ridge, not managed. I can do whatever the hell I want, nobody can say anything. But out here, people can say stuff, and it's a small community, so I don't want to screw that up. And yeah, so I'm going to respect what they wish. But I'll have fun on the section that they haven't said anything about. Water crossing. Woo! Now my feet are soaked. Canyon crest, that's what they call it. Well, let's go this way. It's obviously maintained. That's the other thing that, you know, keeps me from wanting to really disobey, because if they maintain it, they take care of it, then I don't want to screw that up. All the logs have been cut and removed and everything, so I'll leave it be. There's obviously been some use of mountain bikes and everything, so I'm not gonna, don't want to bother them. Snow. Now, if only I knew how to get up there. There is a trail up there. There might be, hey, what's this? This is faint, but it's there. See, now this is what I'm talking about, an old trail that's not been used. I haven't learned really how to do this yet. See, I'm not going to bother anybody on this. Nobody's going back here. Whoa, that's muddy. Now we'll keep going for a little bit, or maybe not. Now, if I knew what I was doing, I'd get over that. But I don't. Or do I? I do not. I would try, but I also would not. I could get over it. This is not the way you're supposed to do it. Not the way you're supposed to do it. This is the way you get yourself stuck. We'll try and rock it over. Or something. Okay. There we go. shit. Now, I've pushed my luck. I can get over this stuff. Let's try it. I can go around this first part. Whoops. Helps be on the bike, I guess. Well, I don't know what I'm doing. This is probably a pain in the ass to watch, isn't it? Just struggling and shit. Alright. We're going to reverse this before I do get stuck. Now I have a project to do. Come out here and see how far I can get. Well, I got halfway, part way. Okay. All right. Well, you know where I am. You know what I've done. I'm gonna end it right here, and I'll be at home in just a little bit. So this has been fun, but I'm gonna put you away. Bye bye. Okay, so I'm there. No, I'm not there. Where am I? I want to be on Bellevue, Boulevard East, and Orchidi. I'm way the hell over here.